Hi guys! Did you know that a tiny little verb can has a huge impact? It has many functions in the English language. We use can to express ability, to show possibility, or to ask for permission. Do you know how to use the verb in each case? Let's check this out. When can is used to express ability, it indicates that you have a skill to do something. For example, you can say, I can swim, and this would mean that you have the ability to swim, you know how to behave in the water, you know how to breathe, you know how to float, you know how to move, and you won't drown. You may also say, I can speak English, which means that you know lots of English words and phrases, you know English grammar well enough, and you can chat with someone and understand them. Speaking of permission, when we use can in this context, it signifies that you have the permission to do something, or in other words, you're allowed to do something. Remember when we were younger, we would always go to our parents and ask for permission to watch TV, to go for a walk with our friends, or to go to the party, and so on. And when our parents let us do what we wanted, they would say, you can go for a walk, or you can go to the party, you can go to the movies, and so on. So again, they used the verb can, but in your language. Now, possibility. In this case, the verb can is used to say that something is likely to happen. For example, you can hear from someone, it can rain later. What does it mean? It means that there is a high chance that the weather will be rainy in the near future, but you will be ready for it because you'll take your umbrella, right? Or you can also hear someone saying to you like, oh, he can be very busy tomorrow. And in this case, you understand that yes, there is a small chance you'll meet this person the next day because he'll have lots of things to do. Now that we've covered some theory about the verb can, let's put it into practice. I'll show you a few sentences and you'll need to decide whether can is used to express ability, to show possibility, or to ask for permission. You're going to have 5 seconds for each sentence. He can win the game if he plays well. Possibility. She can speak 3 languages fluently. Ability. You can go to the movies with your friends once you've finished your homework. It's permission. Okay, well done. Let me know in the comments if you answered everything correctly. We need to remember that the verb can also be used in the negative form, like can't or cannot. Let's try to change our positive sentences into negative ones. I can swim transforms into I can't swim. Now, you may have noticed that can and can't are very similar in pronunciation in American English, and sometimes it is really hard to hear the difference between these two words. There is a simple trick that you can use to differentiate these two words. Can you try to guess it? I will say the 2 sentences once again. I can swim. I can't swim. Did you get it? I can swim. I can't swim. So in the positive sentence, the verb can remains unstressed, whereas in the negative sentence, we emphasize the verb can't. Let's listen to the sentences one more time. I can swim. I can't swim. I hope now it's more or less clear. Oh, he can be very busy tomorrow. It transforms into, oh, he can't be very busy tomorrow. Again, mind the stress. You can go to the party. You can't go to the party. Now, how about questions? To make questions with the verb can, we simply need to switch the subject of the sentence and the verb can. For example, let's take the sentence, he can drive. The question will be, can he drive? Or they can go to the park. Can they go to the park? I've prepared an exercise for you to practice sentence transformation. You need to complete the table and write the correct sentences. You can do this exercise right after watching this video, and I'll leave the answers for you in the description box. All right, we've structured our knowledge about the verb can. I hope this video was informative and thought-provoking. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye!